To convert a PDF document into a scannable QR code in seconds, I really like using the generateqr.com feature. This isn't a paid ad, I just think it's a really cool service and it's super easy to use. What you want to do is head over to generateqr.com and then select what sort of QR code you want to create. I'm going to select on PDF, which generates a QR code and it makes the PDF shareable. So we're going to select on this. You can name your PDF. I'm just going to call it PDF to QR code. Then all I need to do is select on that PDF document that I want to upload. Now that I've uploaded it, I'm simply going to select on Customize and Download QR. This is quite cool that on the right hand side you can get a preview of that QR code, but you can customize this to, I guess, whatever you're trying to advertise. You could have a single color or you could have a gradient. I think the gradient is nice because if you have like different logos or different color combinations for your company, you can go ahead and customize this to be a little bit more on brand, I'd say. You can, of course, adjust things like the outer lines. I do think the standard one is quite nice. You can convert the colors and the inner lines into circles and things like that. Add backgrounds if you wanted to. I reckon the logo one is super cool. It's got a range of preset logos already. So you could drop in, say, like the Facebook logo or TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, whatever it is. And you can increase the size of that margin as well as the size of that logo. And of course, you can choose to upload your own logo as well if you're adding this for your own, say, company or whatnot. And you can also add a really stylish frame, like saying scan me now, or maybe it looks like a photo, so to use your phone to scan it. You could turn it into a circle, or you could keep it really simple, and you're done. Basically, all you have to do is hit the download, and then once that image downloads, you can, of course, open it up and then start putting that QR code wherever you need to advertise. Of course, to show you what this looks like from the phone's point of view, I'm just going to launch my camera app, scan that QR code, press the QR code button, and then it's going to take me straight to my sample PDF document. And it is that easy to turn a PDF document into a scannable QR code.